Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the day 32 of the 32nd day of our 60-day trading challenge. And today was a very smooth sailing day. So it was nothing much in terms of the learning, except for having control on our emotions. In between, the market went little against us, but other than that, there was nothing much to you know. Say about it. So I'll just keep the video very short. So we entered, the trade got triggered at 9:32 a.m. Sorry, 9:30. So we took the trade at 9:32. As predicted, the market was expected to fall. So we sold the 24,400 call. And we covered it at the end of the day at 64 rupees. We sold it at 99 rupee 25 paise, and we covered it at 64 rupees. And as you see the premium chart and the chart of the Nifty, this is where we sold. And after that, this is the red line. What you see here is the where we sold. In between, there was some whipsaw during the early part of the day. As you see in the twice, it went above the price at which we sold, so it was in a negative territory. Except for that, it was actually for the throughout the day there was a decay, and we started moving our stop loss post this 130. This was the low candle which we had to took the reference, and we were trailing the stop loss. Neither the initial stop loss nor the trailing stop loss got triggered, so hence we had to exit at this candle, which is at the 315 candle. After that, it went slightly above, so it doesn't matter. The last three candles doesn't matter to us because we exited at 315. And this is in the other side, like here you see the Nifty chart. Nifty chart also, initially there was a confusion, like a big candle got formed, and then it got settled down, and this is a candle on which we sold. But if you look at the entire day remained in the same the first 5 minutes candle range itself. So obviously it had there was a gap down. So it indeed ended in a considerable negative territory. But the point is, for an intraday perspective, it remained in the range of the first 5 minutes candle itself. So trading journal perspective, as you saw, 24,400 call we had sold at 99.25, and we covered it at 64 rupees. And the trading cost of 59 rupee 40 paisa is what we incurred the trading cost. Our confidence level was pretty high because it was more predictable with all the data points and the emotions and all other criteria, which was pointing to a weak market. So at the end of 32 days, we again continue to be at a peak level of ROI, that is 13.74%, and this is the equity curve as you see over here. It's on a upward trajectory continuously. So this is one another day we ended in a peak level of ROI. So today was not even from the VIX perspective, as you see, this is the candle on which we sold, and after that the VIX was either sideways or started towards the end of the day it coming down also. So it was favorable since it remained at the similar level. The decay was very smooth, and as you saw initially some whipsaw. That is when the VIX further went up, and that is when we saw the premium was not decaying, rather it started a little going up. And post that, in correlation to that, it's our premium also start decaying, and that is how we got a very decent profits for the day. So that's all, folks, for the day. Thanks a lot for your continued support, and for the 33rd day. See you on Monday, and have a great weekend, and be safe. Jai Hind.